Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and in this episode, we're going to talk about what everybody's talking about right now, the upcoming Bitcoin halving. In May 2020, Bitcoin is going to go through another halving. What does this mean? We're going to go over what the halving means, what goes on during this process, and how it affects the price of Bitcoin. So in this video, you're going to get all of the answers you're looking for and our analysis on the future of Bitcoin price. When Bitcoin was created, a new system was put into place to generate new Bitcoins. This process is known as mining. Now, if you don't know what mining is, please watch our other video on Bitcoin mining. But basically, the Bitcoin blockchain groups all transactions within a 10-minute time frame, sends this block out to the miners to verify these transactions using computational algorithms. Once verified, the miner that solved that equation gets a reward. When Bitcoin was first created, the reward was 50 Bitcoins per block. The Bitcoin blockchain actually has a protocol built into it so that every 210,000 blocks, approximately every 4 years, the reward gets cut in half. That's why it's called a halving. The first halving happened in 2012, when the reward was reduced from 50 Bitcoins to 25 Bitcoins. Then again in 2016, which made it 12.5 Bitcoins, which is the current reward. This will go on every 4 years until the year 2140, when there will be no more Bitcoins created and all 21 million Bitcoins will be in circulation. Now, why is this important? This protocol was put into place to help prevent inflation. For example, all fiat currencies, like pounds, dollars, yen, and euro, are printed in central banks, and over time they print more and more and more, causing more to be in circulation, causing the value of that currency to actually decrease. That's what we call inflation. Bitcoin, however, has a finite amount. There can only be 21 million Bitcoin in circulation total, solving the problem of inflation and actually increasing the value of Bitcoin over time. Now let's get into how this will affect the price of Bitcoin. When the first halving happened on November 28th, 2012, Bitcoin was actually at $12 per Bitcoin. And then 4 months later, it jumped up to $180 per Bitcoin. When the second halving occurred, it was at $650, and then at its peak in 2017, it was over $20,000. Now, no one really knows for certain how this will affect the price of Bitcoin, because if you look at the charts right after the halvings happened, nothing changed. It didn't move at all. It wasn't until a few months later that we started to see these exponential growth spikes. Now, the next halving is set for May 14th, 2020. There's a lot of speculation on the internet and other YouTube channels. In my opinion, we're going to see some nice growth due to all the publicity and hype over the Bitcoin halving. So from now until May, we should see some really nice gains. But I think when the halving happens, not much is going to change in the price, but over the next 4 to 6 months, we should see another rally towards that $10,000 mark and maybe even beyond. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some knowledge out of it. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join us again tomorrow when we go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as the news in the last 24 hours.